Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest from Friendship towards Tucker, entering Tucker and Montego Bay City. The road on the right is Pega Road, and that road will take you to Irwin Community, where you will find Irwin Primary School and Irwin High School. We are driving on the Tucker Main Road in Montego Bay City. Montego Bay City is popularly referred to as Mobay by locals. The road on the left can take you to communities such as Granville, Pitford, Retirement, Camrose, Kemshot, Hopeton, Saltwater, and Hampton. On the right, just above, is Tucker Seventh-day Adventist Church. To the right, you can find Camber Hill. On the right is the Tucker Wesleyan Holiness Church and the Tucker Basic School. On the left, we are passing West Bow Park. Entering Fairfield. The road on the right is Oak Hill Avenue, and that road will take you into Fairfield Estate. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.